North Carolina Mountain Land and Carolina's Land present an opportunity to purchase 385 plus or minus acres in Wilkes County, North Carolina. This property has many beautiful areas. You arrive on a long paved frontage road to the main part of the property. Barns, stables, outbuildings, a cottage that formerly housed the old Mount Zion post office, over a mile of trout streams, 100 acres of pastures, lots of hardwoods with ATV trails, spectacular views of pastures and mountains. Let us take you on a tour. This bank-owned property, known as Tuscarora Ranch, has been recently surveyed and is ready to sell. Located in western Wilkes County, North Carolina, it's not often that a farm is on the market, so we invite you to explore the possibilities. Timber sales, livestock or horse operations, ecotourism, hunting excursions in 300 wooded acres for deer, turkey, small game, and even the occasional black bear, and maybe a wedding venue. Qualifies for the present use value program that the tax office coordinates, which can result in significant property tax savings. Call Larry Call or Chris Breeden for an appointment to view this property. Tuscarora Ranch, Wilkes County, North Carolina. Beautiful. Is it for you?